66 and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. Got a little crush on you.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends, this being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel lucky, almost. Still can't believe you love me.
Very pleased with this painting, but I kind of changed up what I was going to do after I poured this first flip cup. And I'll tell you why. Sometimes the painting dictates to you what you should or shouldn't do next, and this was a perfect example for me. This has got a lot of movement, a lot of texture in it, and I absolutely love it. And I think that it sits well by itself. I initially was going to leave some white pearl negative space and then do another flip cup over here to balance this. But sometimes acrylic pouring can be very busy. And if you've got too much going on, in other words, if I did another busy flip cup down here, I think that it takes away from the first flip cup that I did. So I opted to go with beads of color and always intended on swiping a little bit with the Aussie Floetrol and the Amsterdam Black. So now, I'm debating whether I do one more strip of black around here. And I went and sometimes I leave it up to the heavens. I went and got a coin and I flipped it. Heads I do it, tails I don't. And it came up heads. So maybe I'll do a very thin band right down through here of the Amsterdam paint with the Aussie Floetrol. But if I decide not to, because I'm very pleased with this, once this painting is dry, I will take some of my blue tape and I'll tape this section off and I'll brush with a paintbrush a very thin line right across this taupey color here. But I'm pleased. But a couple of quick pointers that I pointed out in my classroom at FAB is when you swipe, I don't lay my paper towel down too much. The main mistake I saw my students make initially when I first watched them swipe was they laid their paper towel down into the swiping color and then laid their paper towel down almost that it was touching the base coat all the way across. So like this. I leave my paper towel up because if you lay it down too much, all of that paint gets gathered up from the swipe line onto the paper towel and ends up creeping up the paper towel rather than exiting down on your canvas. Another pointer is push pins. I use push pins, guys. I put them in while I'm painting, but as soon as I'm done with my painting, I move my wet canvas over to my drying table and I set them on 4 cups. You do not have to remove your push pins. The cups are higher than the push pins. I slide the cups in the areas more to the center of the canvas so the push pins don't hit them. And the reason being, unless you use brand new push pins every other time that you paint, you can see the amount of gunk that builds up on these. I don't want to hold it over that canvas too long. And your push pins, no matter how level your table is, your push pins makes your painting unlevel. So right now this painting still has the push pins in it, but I slid the 4-ounce paper cups underneath it, which makes this painting totally level. And then you don't have the issues with the push pins making your canvas uneven and your paint moving. So we'll see how this dries. If anything does move, I'll go in with a paintbrush and redefine my straight lines. I like the little dip that's right in through here. And I'm going to think about whether or not I do one more swipe with the black and the Aussie paint. But that's it, guys. I hope you like it. I like it. It's going to hang in my home, and I am grateful for that. I am also very grateful for all of you painting peeps who joined me and the other FAB ladies at the Delray Beach Convention a few weeks ago. We had a wonderful time with you, and guys, I can't wait to see you all again. From the bottom of my heart, Mina's heart, Karen's heart, and Sarah's heart, we thank you for believing in us and always showing up, guys. Peace and love to y'all. Take care till I see you again. Bye now.